Hey, it's gonna be a 7-minute video. As I'm trying to catch KH35's required weekly test. It is 10:54 now. So I'm just gonna relax and check IEM bot, see if anything posted. There we go. Oh, frick. I'm trying to catch PA's required weekly test. Alright, let's see Blackbird's server. I'm not doing that copy pasta. This is gonna take a while. So in the meantime, have some gamer headphones. I don't know when I'm gonna use them. I don't know when I'm gonna charge them. Probably soon. Protein cushion. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video right here. Alright, it is 10:57 now. I'm gonna wait till it goes to whatever the frick. So you're... Let's see. Huh. Cincinnati, partly sunny, 51, winds gusting to 30, Toledo light rain, 41, winds gusting to 23, and Columbus cloudy, 43. The current time is 10:58 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now here is the synopsis. A cold front will bring rain showers to the area late this afternoon and into the overnight hours. The rain will change to snow late tonight as colder air behind the boundary crosses the region. Another wind system will impact the area on New Year's Day. The forecast for Pittsburgh and surrounding counties. For rest of today, partly sunny late this morning, then becoming cloudy. A chance of rain this afternoon. Highs in the upper 10:59. Okay, once it hits 11 o'clock, it's freak out time. I'm not gonna freak out, of course, but yeah, you're probably tired of seeing my freaking ugly ass face. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Today's not Thursday, Wednesday. You should freaking speed it up, people. Oh, it's 11. It's 11. Well, it's probably gonna be like at. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Now you decide to do it. Now. Oh, come on.
required weekly test. Woo!
On a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device at this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of
Tones.
Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH 35, serves the following counties.
You butchered the station ID.
Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene,
Not the station ID, the call sign.
Westmoreland, and in northern West Virginia,
Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and
Ohio, and finally in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. The forecast.
I hope y'all enjoyed me freaking out over an RWT, because I enjoyed it. So, this is going to go straight to the YouTubes. Bye.